Welcome everyone, how's it going? This is another video with the Arbitrum technicals and price action. I'd like to share with you more information on board. It is the 2nd of May 2023. We're looking forward to discovering what's happening. By the way, Arbitrum is no longer ranked number 1 in the trendings on CoinMarketCap. It is a temporary loss towards the other crypto that's right there, which is not that meaningful obviously and cannot compare with this specific project, which is ranked 36 right now, and it's still having a ranging time, basically, as usually the whole market is ranging for the past 7 days. Even though the decrease has been active, markets have been suffering during the weekend, we still gotta do our job to handle the process of trading. So what's happening, folks? Make sure you subscribe our main channel and check out the ChatGPT bot trading videos. $500,000 profits, 160 grand, 108,000, 162% day trading. Check out basically our trading report towards the bot GPT, and option number 1 is actually based on no prior fee, only commission from pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you. There's many abilities for people to participate. I'll talk about it at the end in a form or the other. 1 hour candlesticks. This is what's been happening in the current charts. It's very interesting that the Arbitrum is finding a support zone here, which is something that we're actually touching on the Elliott combo Z final movement. This is stable on 1.30. 1.30 is the structure support, so we're trying to get out of the whole picture at 1.5, which is a major resistance in the zone over there. Now, at the end of the day, we do have also the ability to cross such level by finding support in 1.3, which will be necessary. You might say that there is distance basically in between the two, and how are we going to complete this distance without breaking our movement? Usually this is not happening in a single and one directional swing high. It's usually building up a higher low, and once the higher lows are completed and the market takes the liquidity from the opposition, it starts basically with a stronger swinger movements that are capable to break out. Because right now we cannot get defeated by 1.5 again. We need to break out. And this is going to trigger a nice effect on the above side of the market structure, which will eventually revisit this levels. You need to be very careful. That's where the strong resistance appears. Anything near 1.7 is very strong. However, talking about one side is just a single direction on the table, but the variable does have the other shorting possibility, which is still very visible, guys. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we got announcements coming in. The financial world will react to that. And we have bad news coming out. The crypto market is going to get a double digits crash, and this is going to put basically Arbitrum back to the 1.20, 1.10 levels, so it's much lower than the current situation, and it will take out a whole lot of the guys from the trading business and trading journey. So you need to be careful in the way you handle the whole process. If we don't have basically right now great announcements, or at least average level announcements coming out, crypto will suffer big time because of the stock markets too. So that's it for the moment. We need to be very careful with that, not to be taken out. Arbitrum has been having a good time until 26th of April, which was basically moment where we should have started to get higher lows. We have not. This level with this level is missing basically in to be connected. What happened is the X basically movement generated another one, which was a lower high on effect on a minor distance, of course, because that high is forming a gap, and then the whole pattern is triggered downwards because the traders do trade certain things by shorting. It's simple. You generate the volume and the market moves. Now that's where we are for the beginning of the month. We can talk about on a longer perspective what could happen basically in the upcoming period, but it's important to wait out the Wednesday announcement from tomorrow. Once again, folks, if you care about your trading, Make sure to check out the bot trading with ChatGPT form, videos and correlated with that explanations and so on, including our weekly performance listed here, options that you can participate. Actually, number one is completely outsourced, no prior fee, only commission from profits that you must send out every 7 days, and we perform the trading for you through API permission. Complete the form to find out more basically. And all the links can be discovered in the description area and comments area, by the way. Or contact me. There is a possibility of a free conversation of 15 minutes where I can explain you more. If you want to become a trader, or if you want to improve your own trading, we have a one-on-one coaching, and I wish to explain how does it work and describe that in the upcoming minutes. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.